Does your four-wheeler do this? So if your handlebar is loose, there's probably a pretty good chance it's your upper steering bushing. As you can see, mine is completely deteriorated away. I actually managed to find a piece of it. It is crispy. So I did the right thing and went to Amazon. Clink. High quality. Get you a bushing. Flat part goes on top, brown part goes on bottom. Ratchet with a 12 mil. Extension helps. And some kind of grease. Take your handlebar all the way to the left. We're going to loosen that bolt right there. Found it was easiest to not use the extension while busting them loose. And once you got it loose, throw that on there. Now this one, we just want to loosen it. We don't want to take it all the way off. Make sure it doesn't fall off. And we're going to turn the steering wheel the other direction. I'm going to knock the camera over. Now turn the wheel all the way left. Now we have access to the other side. We're going to do the same thing to the other side of the bolt, except this time we're going to take it all the way out. That one's already pretty loose. Make sure not to drop your bolt. So with the first bolt loosened and the second bolt taken off, you can kind of see why we don't want to take it completely off. The back strap is a separate piece than the front strap, so if you take them both off, it's going to be kind of a pain in the butt to line everything back up. Now as far as greasing the bushing goes, I'm just going to use general all-purpose grease that I use in my tractor. Now it's going to be kind of difficult to show you what I'm doing, but the flat part goes on top and the rounded part goes on the bottom. Now these do come with a split in them to go around the bar itself. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in just a second. So just like that, open up the split. You can put it on up here, you should have enough room. Put it around, slide it down, and you can actually kind of see where the notch of the flat part sits on top of the back plate. And then as far as the front goes, it's as simple as just pushing it back and everything sits in place. So now comes the fun part. Align the front plate with the back plate to the screw post in the back. Got it started. Now tighten everything back up. I've just got that one snug for right now. I'm going to go back on the other side and tighten that one. Now as far as tightness goes, you don't want to be so tight to the point where it's going to make the four-wheeler hard to steer. Just make it tight enough to where it's not going to come off. Might help if I use my extension. Happy with that. Turn the wheel back the other way. same thing. Snug it up. Tighten it down. Good as new. It's so much easier than what it was before. Got everything in, tightened down, nice and snug again. Hope this helps. Till next time.